Hey everyone, I finally got a robot vacuum cleaner, so today I'm going to show you what I got with the Tikom L8000. I'm really hoping this is going to save me time collecting and cleaning all the hair tumbleweeds in my living room, all the food crumbs in the kitchen, and all the dirt particles that we track into the house. So right out of the box, we've got this huge quick start guide. It's got pictures and diagrams showing all the different parts of the vacuum, and there's also step-by-step instructions on how to connect it to the app to start using it. And of course, here's the main attraction, the vacuum itself. This thing is actually pretty solid. It's actually got some weight to it, and it looks like it's about 1.5 feet wide, and looks like there's tons of accessories as well. Here's the cleaning cloth that can be Velcro to the vacuum, and here's the charging station. So I'll need to figure out where to put this thing. And let's take the vacuum out of the box. Here's a cleaning brush, which I'm guessing will get attached to the bottom of the vacuum. And here's another cleaning cloth, which is already Velcro to a panel, which I'll need to insert into the bottom of the vacuum later. And here's the power adapter for the charging station. Here's a bracket, a side brush, and a user manual. They also threw in a filter and some ties for the cord to keep things neat and tidy. So let's take a quick look at the user manual. At quick glance, this manual looks pretty comprehensive based on the table of contents. It tells you what's included with the vacuum, it tells you how to connect the robot to your Wi-Fi, and how to use the app to control the robot vacuum cleaner. There's lots of information about how to use the app and configure the various settings. There's information about how to take care of your robot vacuum, and there's even some troubleshooting tips and FAQs. In a follow-up video, I'll show you how to assemble this robot vacuum cleaner, and then we'll test it out.